cabbage and carrots. This is so easy and so delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so absolutely nothing to this one, and it really is delicious. So cabbage, carrots, onions, garlic and ginger, salt, pepper, turmeric. 3 cups of carrots there, so that would make that about 6 cups, I would imagine, roughly speaking. 1 cup of onion, tablespoon of garlic, ginger, and a teaspoon each of the turmeric, salt and pepper. Let's go. So I'm doing this in quite a large pan because of the quantity of the cabbage. I'm using olive oil today. Now some people say you should never cook with olive oil. Let them say that. I'm going with it. And there's quite a lot there. There's about 5 tablespoons. We're going to start off by dropping in the carrots. And you can see I've cut them fairly thin. And a cup of onion. Above medium heat, let's go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Fabulous. Now I'm going to add that tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Now you can just use garlic if you wanted, but I like the ginger in there as well. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt, pepper and turmeric. Let's give that a little mix. Then we're going to go in with our white cabbage, which I've kind of shredded. Again, you can cut it however you want, really. So about 6 minutes now on this above medium heat. We're going to be stirring this in. Okay, off goes the heat. Look at that, really beautiful. So easy. Now, something optional, but I love. Some chilies in there at the end. Take the seeds out if you want. As many or as little as you like. Job done. Okay, absolutely nothing to it, and I'm telling you that is super tasty. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.